Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create logo animations in CapCut PC. So in here, you can first just add your logos into CapCut PC, and after that, you can add the tags. Here, I'm going to just write CapCut, and you can change the font to how you like it. Okay, don't forget to adjust the size of the font to be almost the same with the logo and tags to be the same, like this. And now I'm going to adjust the durations into 4 seconds, the text and also the logo. And after this, you can just add a keyframe on the logo in here under the transform, and then move the logo to the center of the text, just like this. And then you can enlarge it and rotate it a bit. Like this. And now you can just move the cursor or the playhead forward, and then you can make the logo smaller again and move it to the end of the text, like this. And in here you can rotate the logo, you need to move forward again and then rotate the logo to its original position and move it back again to the start or to the beginning of the text. You'll see the preview here. If it's too slow or too fast, you can adjust the position of the keyframes, like this now. And now on the logo, you can add the zoom 1 animations. Under the in category, find the zoom 1. Let's scroll down and find the zoom 1 in here. Okay, this one. You can adjust the durations if you want to. Okay, so after the animation apply, next you can click on the text and adjust the starting position of the text aligned with the second keyframes on the logo. So in here, I'm going to click on the text and trim it like this. Now click on the text and create a compound clip. Go to video, mask, and choose the horizontal. Rotate it like this, and then move the masking here, and you can just add a keyframe in here and follow the movement of the logo so that the text will appear alongside when the logo is moved. Okay, so after the whole text is revealed, now you can see this is the logo animations result. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.